Alright, so I'm testing something new on this flight, my new Bose A30 headset. I've been flying for the A20 for about 4 years now, and I finally decided to try the A30s. My first impressions are, number one, it's lighter on the head. I think the design changed a little bit, but to me the most important feature is the fact that you can select from 3 different levels of noise cancelling. In critical phases of flight, such as takeoff, landing, I personally like to hear the engine, so I would only activate my noise cancelling during climb or even a cruise level. Now I actually have the option to select between 3 different noise cancelling levels, so you can actually activate it on the ground, be kind of done with it, and once in climb you can then switch to the higher level so you can have more comfort. Pretty good product. It's gonna be my main headset moving forward. I got it from the Banyan Pilot Shop. I highly recommend a visit to their website. Really happy with my A30s and looking forward to new adventures with it. Take care.